Is the stock market about to crash? Will there be a crash in June 2020? Are we entering a global depression? Why is Warren Buffett piling up billions of dollars in cash but not investing? Are we going to see a V-shaped recovery or a U-shaped one, or will it be L-shaped recovery or the new W-shaped recovery? I'm hearing all sorts of negative and positive reviews about the market, but when will the next market crash happen? Or will there be another stock market crash like we had during March 2020? The answer to this question is simple. Nobody knows the exact answer. Let me tell you something which no one has ever told. Whenever people predict that the market is going to crash, for example, June 4th, it's never going to happen. It's just not possible to time the bottom of the market. People never knew about the '87 crash or the dot-com bubble or even global financial crisis. I've been hearing about the market crash and about the recession from early 2017, and the crash happened in 2020, specifically during the month of March, and that too, no one had ever thought of it. The crash was solely due to pandemic and not based on people's predictions. We know that market goes based on people's emotions, but now things have changed. The Fed is trying to save the Wall Street by its printing machine. And the day Fed stops printing, oh boy, we will have a roller coaster in the market. Also, never forget the power of the Federal Reserve Bank, also known as the Fed. They have also told that they are gonna do everything to their full potential to save the economy and stock market. They are pumping trillions and trillions of dollars into the economy and into the Wall Street and bailing out large billion-dollar companies. Even the crash during the month of March was an accident. People became too emotional about the pandemic and started off panic selling. Just after the crash, Jerome Powell announced that they are gonna do everything to save the economy and Wall Street by printing an infinite amount of money. And guess what? We have the Dow Jones rallied around 7,000 points so far. The power of the Fed. Most of the YouTubers and media publications are just exaggerating the market by creating a false opinion on the market. YouTubers are just talking negatively about the market because it's more interesting rather than hearing something positive. For the last 3 years, people have been saying about the crash which never occurred until recently. Thank you. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe